Hey YouTube, this is Dave from DJI Hobbies. Doing a quick review of the Lisen magnetic car mount holder to help hold up my DJI Pocket 1 gimbal camera, and a little bit of a review of the holder for the camera too. Here we go. So here's the magnetic holder from Lisen. Little magnet things are underneath that nameplate there, and this piece here hooks into your grill. It's extended out right now, and the way it hooks in is that you just kind of put it in the grill wherever you decide, whichever grill piece you want, and then it screws in clockwise to tighten it down. But it is a two-handed operation, so I'm going to set the phone down a second while I do that. So now I've got the Lisen magnetic mount holder in the grill, and as you can see, it's kind of pointed at an angle. It's almost pointed right at me. You can adjust the magnet piece here by turning this thing clockwise to loosen it up, and then pivot this as you need it, such like however you need, whatever location you want, and then counterclockwise to tighten it back up again, like so. And then you take whatever magnetic piece that you have, you can go right on here. The Lisen does come with these plates provided in the box. I just stuck mine onto the tripod mount piece to the Pocket 1 or Pocket 2 bracket holder that came with, and it just sticks on there like so. And you got your DJI Pocket ready to use and record with without being a hands-free operation if you're driving and vlogging at the same time. As you can see, it, and then you do your 3 little clicks, and then it's obviously set too high, so I'm going to set the camera down again and adjust the height of this so it's pointed correctly. Now I have the Pocket 1 facing me, and you can do like in picture if you have a GoPro or something mounted to your dash while you're driving and talking on your vlog. Just make sure you're paying attention to the road ahead of you, of course. One thing I did get for this Pocket that I didn't have when I got it, because I did buy it used, was the inside the behind the bracket is the little door that you cover up the port for your iPhone or your Android device, depending on what one you use. If you have those in here, this door won't close, so you have to have some kind of cover to protect the contacts that are in there. But the nice thing about this little case is that the you can't see it too well here, but next to the green light right there is the mic port for your Pocket. So when you're recording, I have it set to follow me mode right now, so when you're recording, it's not going to block that microphone. So I've included, or I will include, all the links to this stuff in the description below. I got this idea for this Pocket 1 or Pocket 2 mount from gentleman Richard Tatti, and I think that's his name, but it's Nightscape Images. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel below if you're into the Nightscape photography. It's really great, but I got this idea from him, so credit to him. I did use a couple different pieces than what he suggested, because either I didn't have access to them because he's in Australia, or cost a little bit more than I wanted to spend. But I'll put the links for the Pocket bracket, the Lisen magnetic mount, and the little door cover here in the description below. So if you like this short review of the Lisen magnetic mount holder for the DJI Pocket, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and comments if you need to, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. And don't forget what Malcolm says.